Welcome to the design guide for the new HTML mobile interstitial ad unit. Now, this ad unit uses the exact same template as the desktop version. So if you want to learn all about the settings and specific nuances for this template, we recommend watching the design guide for the HTML interstitial or interstitial video units. It's the same and it's going to give you a full overview. What we're going to concentrate on this video is what is different about the mobile specific version. Now, the first thing to remember, we can preview this ad, and for the purposes of this template, we simply made the container smaller, 300 by 250 with a smaller image that's going to be closer to fitting a mobile sized device. Now, if we were to grab this URL and preview it inside a mobile device or on a mobile device, this ad would actually appear too small. It would be shrunk down because this is a desktop page viewing this ad unit, and it's designed to shrink down and fit a mobile screen. In the instance that you just want to use a desktop version and it's the same ad server across all devices, then you're going to want to build a large ad and it'll shrink down appropriately. In the instance that you have a mobile specific ad server and you can serve ads directly to a mobile device, that is when you want to potentially build a version like this that is specific for those screens. And as we started off showing you, the media container, which can be any size you want, is typically going to be sized smaller. We have it 300 by 250. You might make it even smaller for your mobile devices, or larger. It depends on what effect you're going for. You can upload JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, or SWFs, but in almost no instance are you going to use an SWF file, primarily because those aren't going to show up on your mobile devices, and this is designed for mobile. So you're going to upload your image here, just like you normally would. You have a close button you can put in, and then you can pretty much ignore the failover image. You don't really need that. And finally, video. If you want to add video to this ad, you can do that as well. So what's different about the mobile version is that you can add a click to call feature. So you'll notice when we preview the ad, instead of typing in click, in your imagery, you're typically going to include the word tap, because that's the action people are taking on their mobile devices. So tap for tickets could link you to another URL, in instance for this ad, that would take them to a ticket purchasing site. If we come down here to our click-through URLs, you'll notice what we can do is, instead of entering in the standard HTTP : protocol for linking to a website, what we can do is use the following protocol: the letters TEL : and then whatever your phone number is. What's going to happen is, if I preview this ad inside a mobile device and tap on it, it's actually going to take me to the phone's feature for dialing this number. You'll notice here in a desktop it takes me to a broken link because this is obviously not a proper URL. So this is the way to design your ad so that it has a click to call feature. You simply type in TEL : and then the 10-digit number that you're going to want it to tap through to when the user touches it on a mobile device. Now, in the instance that you want to add video to your ad, you'll come down here to your settings. You'll switch the video player mode to yes. Make sure in your media you have your MP4 file uploaded. And the settings for video are the same for all ads. Basically, you can give the video player a custom width and height. Let's make it, call it 280 by 200 wide. We'll give it a 10 pixel horizontal offset and a 0 pixel vertical offset. You can have the video autoplay if you want, as well as audio if you want. And again, that's basically going to just preview. Going to load this video now on top of your ad in whatever positioning you want. So you can design this to look however you want. Again, the click-through hit areas are always designed with video so that hit area 1 is underneath the video and hit area 2 is on top. So you may want to add a second hit area if you wanted to be able to tap the video to go through to another URL as well. So that's it for the design guide for mobile. Again, if you want to learn about all the different settings here for interstitial add units, simply come back to your HTML tab, click on interstitial add units, and watch the design guide for that. Thanks, and as always, if you have questions, call us at 866-467-2289.